up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And Dover, where are we going today?
Daryl.
Daryl?
One of Daryl's.
Yeah. So we've got Philip back there. Philip's all loaded up, and then we got to pick something up too, don't we, Alex?
Yeah.
What do we got to pick up?
Going grocery shopping.
You see a man about a horse, right?
Yeah.
So that is what's up, guys. We got one Coyote Swap on the trailer headed up to the tuner, and as we drop off one, we're going to be picking up one. So it's a long drive. We got to get some cars, so let's go. Gentlemen, we have arrived. I'm just gonna find a way to put the car.
Right here, huh?
Let's do it. There she is. Philip is unloaded. Ken, what are you doing? Yeah. Sounds pretty good too.
It does.
Can you believe it's running that good with a totally different motor?
Yeah.
Like totally
It's
different.
close.
Totally different. All right, guys. So we are out here at Wingard Performance. We got a whole lot of wind going on out here. Of course, we got Ken's car. We don't want to look at it. It's boring. Ken, your car is boring. Nah, you think so.
Let's do it.
Won't be long, won't be long.
All right, I can hear that.
Yeah, you do. But anyway, a little GT350 action with a Vortec. This is pretty badass right here. We were just talking about it is ridiculously tight in here, everywhere.
It's rare for me to do that,
But it fits.
but plus, I actually like
It works. This thing's gonna be a beast. Dover, what do you think of this thing?
Like it.
Yeah, that'll be awesome. It's tight. Look how tight everything is. Good God. You ain't stuffing a single thing in there. Coyote stuff. Ken, what do we got working here?
This is what he was showing me earlier. It's on my channel too. Y'all go check it out. I'm just kidding.
Oh, look at there.
Yep.
Look at
The
that.
LS3 got the vented block mod.
Right. I love
But they think that it had something to do with the tune that was in it from another shop.
it. Right.
Yeah, it was tuned from another shop. So
Sheesh.
they brought it to Daryl. They got another motor, and they're gonna go back with it and let Daryl tune it.
I gotcha.
So it's sitting right there on the rack up there.
God, that looks like a big pain in the ass to work
it
on.
is.
Like, so that's what's going back in it. That's gonna be a beast. See, I don't mind an LS as long as it goes in a Chevrolet where it belongs. So, just saying. But yeah, that's that should be fun. Ooh, good God. Lots and lots of parts. Gonna be a beast. But the main reason we're here, aside from dropping off Dover's car, is picking up Alex's car.
He brought out there, so you have to wire pipe unhook, try to get more.
Yeah, Alex's car is all tuned, ready to rock and roll. Super excited. Yes, it's dirty. Give us a little time. We'll get her cleaned up. Okay, so we've been told this rather sedate looking F-150 may or may not be twin. Holy cow. Hold on, let's see if we can get in there. What do you got? There's 1, 2. Man. How much fun was that to install?
I didn't do the install, the owner did the install.
Oh, okay, you're just tuning it? Good God. Sounds like she's got some exhaust leaks, but
Yeah, he got some exhaust from the last home business. I got to go over there and fix it.
yeah, good times. Wow. But yeah, as you see, stock wheels, normal tires. I mean, not even the stance has been changed. This is unreal. I mean, we could do some towing with this.
I told him, I was shooting the video on it. I told him, I said, he needs to put EcoBoost emblems on it.
Yeah.
When he gets the exhaust finished, like, nope, everybody hears blow off, they
Right.
think EcoBoost F1 V6. No, it's an EcoBoost 5.0.
That's all it is. It's an EcoBoost. That's all it is.
It's an EcoBoost, guys.
That is way too cool.
Dude, unsuspecting.
All right, fresh tune. Yeah, buddy. Little cold start. There she goes.
Little cold start.
Oh, yeah.
Dial down.
Yeah, she's good to go.
Dude, that is a night and day difference when we dropped it off.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely amazing. Alex, what do you think, dude? It's gonna scream.
He said it flat out moved down the track, down the road. I said, it started to say track.
Yeah.
I haven't been to the track yet. I'm just to me. But
I guarantee it moves.
what that? He did. He said you might want to tweak it to your standards, but he said he got it moved out of the way where it doesn't rub.
Good deal. She's just purring like a kitten, y'all. Look at that. Like it's supposed to go in there, right?
That's so clean.
It is. All right, Alex, is this the first drive?
First drive.
All right, dude.
Hey, hold on.
Let her rip.
Hold on.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
We need to make one change. Real quick.
Gear.
Yeah.
Oh, one change.
Gear ratio.
Hold on. See, Ken, you always ruin the fun. We were about to drive. Oh, that's it. That's it. Got it updated. Had to make one more update to the tune. But Alex is gonna send it. Alex, are you gonna send it? Not gonna send it?
We're not doing old then.
I got you. Okay. Well, here we go.
10 and 2.
Okay, Alex, so driving impression?
I can see.
Beast?
Sweet.
It sounded phenomenal. Dude, we could hear you all the way on that second road. It was
Only
just,
need some tires.
yeah.
Yeah, I did. Took off, I listened to that back end going all over the place.
No traction control here, ladies and gentlemen.
That's nice.
Yeah, she was moving.
Fastest thing I had yet. I see faster than mine. C28.
Oh yeah, by far.
Oh, you ain't
Guys, so it has been a hell of a day, and obviously we got Alex's car up on the trailer, gonna take it home, and then we're leaving Phillip here. She's got her 2014 Mustang engine in it now, and the new 6R80. So Daryl's gonna do some tuning on it. Ken, what do you think of all this madness, dude? We got your tune dialed in.
Baby.
Got yours.
Baby's all on point now.
You had a few more little things to iron out in your
One little
tune.
hiccup, it was a little limiter that was giving us a little hiccup in the upper RPMs. We got that adjusted and it is
Nice.
perfect. One thing about Daryl, guys, he will make sure it's 100% right and he has no issues working on it.
There you go, right there. But that is the deal. We got Coyote stuff happening, and then maybe next weekend we'll be able to drop off. We'll be able to pick up Phillip and drop my car off. I mean, who knows? Ken, what do you think about that?
It is all awesome.
I mean, just the win here is it's staggering. The win is staggering. So, guys, I think we're going to get some Mexican food, get back to the shop, and we got more work to do. We got more swaps to do. So, in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And Ken,
See you next time.
later.